Hello everyone, welcome back to the Cybotians. So in this lecture we are going to discuss about the ultrasonic sensor, and then we are going to connect our ultrasonic sensor to the Arduino Uno, and we will measure some distance of an object through ultrasonic sensor and print this distance in serial monitor. So let's get started. So as you can see in the picture, this is the ultrasonic sensor looks like in a front view, and this is the back view. You can see there is a 3 chip and there are 4 pins. Okay, so first one is VCC, then trigger, then echo, then ground. Okay, so how ultrasonic sensors works, the trigger pin is used to trigger the ultrasonic wave, like sonar waves. Okay, so it will trigger the wave, then the wave is reflected by any object. Okay, and it will catch back by the echo pin. Okay, so the duration between the triggering part and the catch or echo part. Okay, so that we will measure the duration, then we will calculate the distance through this duration. Okay, so the working is very simple. One is triggering, so we have to trigger the ultrasonic wave, then second part is echo, and the third part is calculation part. Okay, so as you can see, these are the feature. Ultrasonic sensor works in the 5-volt power supply, which is DC in nature, and working current is 15 milliampere, and ranging distance is 2 centimeter to 400 centimeter. It is very important to detect any object, because you need to know that what kind of distance it can measure. Okay, resolution is for 4.3 centimeter, and the measuring angle is 30 degrees. Okay, so this is the features of the ultrasonic sensor. Let's see how we can connect the ultrasonic sensor with our Arduino. So here I am, you can see a diagram of the wiring part. So we will connect our VCC pin to 5 volt of the Arduino, and trigger pin to the 9 pin of the Arduino, and echo pin to the 12 number pin of the Arduino, and ground to ground. Okay, so these are the connection. You can change your pin as per your needed. You can connect any kind of these digital pins to this trigger and echo respectively. Now let's see the program. So I have connected to the Arduino Uno. Okay, so I have connected respectively as per the diagram shows. Okay, now let's see the program. Here you can see that I have mentioned the pin diagram also here. Okay, the VCC is to 5 volt, trigger pin is to pin number 9, echo pin is to pin number 12, and ground is ground. Okay, then I have mentioned the trigger pin and echo pin individually. Okay, as the pin is in int type, so I mentioned the int. Okay, and trigger pin indicates the 9 number pin, and echo pin indicates the 12 number pin. Then I have taken 3 variables, that is duration, centimeter, and inches. So I am going to measure the distance in centimeter and inches. Okay, and duration is to use to take the uh, duration time, which is the duration in between trigger pin and the echo pin. Okay, so duration of the reflected wave. Okay, so this is the serial dot begin function. As you know that 9600 is the baud rate of the Arduino Uno, and this is the pin mode. So trigger pin is for the output. Okay, because it will trigger the ultrasonic wave. Okay, and it is the echo pin is for the input, because it will catch the or fetch the reflected ultrasonic wave. Okay, and then in the loop function we need to mention the trigger pin as low in the starting. Then we need to provide a delay, but remember this, we need to provide a delay in microsecond. Okay, that's why the function delay microsecond is used here, and I am providing the 5 microsecond delay. And then we need to again set to high, because we need to trigger the ultrasonic wave. Okay, so we need to set to it to high. Okay, then again we need to provide 10 microsecond delay, then again it will low. Okay, so our triggering part is completed, but we need to catch the trigger reflected wave. Okay, so we need to mention here the echo pin. I think it will not Then we need to use a function that called pulse in. So it will catch the echo pin's response. Okay, so pulse in catch the echo pin's response and transfer it to the time. So pulse in calculate the time of the echo pin. That means trigger pin will send the ultrasonic wave and echo pin will catch the ultrasonic wave. So the distance between the duration between it will calculate it by the pulse in function. It will calculate the reflected pulse wave. Okay, and it will store the value in duration very well. Then we will calculate centimeter and inches with respective formulas. For centimeter this is the formula, and for inches this is the formula. Okay, then we will print the inches and centimeter respectively. Okay, with the help of serial.print, and then we'll change the line, that is serial.println. Then we will provide some delay. You can provide any kind of delay, that is up to you. So this is the all coding part you need to do in ultrasonic sensor. Let's see the demo of the ultrasonic sensor. So I am going to connect my USB port to my laptop. So as you can see, I have connected this. Okay, and Arduino is turned on. Now check the board manager and go to the board manager, select the Arduino Uno. Okay, make sure that you have selected your respective board. Then go to port and select the respective port. Okay, for me it is COM4, so I am selecting this and check here. Okay, now let's upload the code. Okay, so now the code has been uploaded. Now let's open the serial monitor and set the baud rate as 9600, and you can see here the distance. As I did not mm, place any object in front of ultrasonic sensor yet, so it will tell us the maximum distance. Okay, now let's see if I move my hand towards the ultrasonic sensor, what happened. You can see the distance of my hand is 4 centimeter right now. If I move from the ultrasonic sensor outward, so the distance getting enlarged. Okay, if we closer to the ultrasonic sensor, then it will again reduce the distance. Okay, so this is the ultrasonic sensor demo. I hope you like this video. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please watch my next video where I will discuss about the ASP8266 and ultrasonic sensor, and we will try to send data of the ultrasonic sensor to Firebase database. Thank you so much.